Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Monday, October 18th. Let's look at our calendar to find out what is on our calendar for the day. Wow. As we look at our calendar, we have to turn over Saturday's card, the 16th. We had some apples when we last looked. That's right. Let's see what happens. Whoa! One red apple and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green apples. So we have a total of 8 apples, but one is red and the others are green. Wonder what we will see on this one. Any ideas? Can you predict now? Okay, here we go. Whoa! 2 red apples and 6 green apples? Wow. Very, very cool. As you look at this calendar, do you see any patterns? Do you see any patterns developing? We had 3 cards that had apples and then 3 cards that had leaves. We had 4 cards that had acorns and chestnuts, 4 cards that had pumpkins and zucchini. I wonder what will be on this card for today. Let's find out. Whoa! 3 red apples and 5 green apples. Very, very cool, All-Stars. Very cool. Let's move on. We're going to go to our days in school so that we can add another day to our calendar. Here we go. Wow. We are now at 32. That's a little messy. 32 days of school. Incredible. 32. How do I know it's 32? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. I wonder if we can make 32 with our information. Let's see. 32 is here. And that means we have 3 groups of 10 that we just saw on our other chart. 3 groups of 10, so 3 10s and 2 1s. Can you think of some math facts that equal 32? You can pause the video right now and write down at least 2 math equations, math facts that equal 32. I'm going to start with this one. I wonder what you can make. 30 plus 2. Pause the video now. Write down your 2 math facts, math equations. Once you've done that, then you can continue to play the video. All right, All-Stars. Now that you've done that, we're going to do something a little bit different today. We are going to focus on ways that we could make the number 10. What 2 numbers can we add together to make the number 10? Ooh. So if I had the number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus what would equal 10? Do you know? Any ideas? Here's a clue. Here's a little helper right here. If we have 5 dots here, How many more dots would I need to fill in these boxes to fill in this whole 10 frame? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if I can figure out how many more we need. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more boxes. So I just learned that 5 plus 5 equals 10. I wonder what else we could do. Let's see if I pulled another number. 0. What if I had 0? That means I don't have any dots on it. No dots at all. Zero plus what would make the number 10? Any ideas, class? What are you thinking? Let's move this over. Maybe we can count. If we have no dots in here, how many dots would we have to put in here to make the number 10? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you say 10? Yes! If you said 10, you are correct. 0 plus 10 equals 10. Fantastic. Let's try another. Now we have, let me move this to the side so you can see it. Now we have 10 dots. That means all 10 dots are filled in. So let me put that in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we had 10 dots, 10 plus what would equal 10? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Didn't we do just something like this just a few minutes ago? We have 10 dots. And now we're trying to figure out how many more we need to add to make number 10. So if we have them all fed in, we don't need any more dots. So it's really 10 plus 0 equals 10. We'll add this. So if you look, we have 3 different math equations here that equal the number 10. I have a job for you, All-Stars. I need you to actually write down as many ways that you can that equal the number 10. What math facts by adding 2 numbers together can you make that equal 10? Have fun. Off you go. Have a great day.